Let's go, O. That's what I'm talking about right there. Let's go.
That's just balling.
Yeah.
That's what we talk about. Let them know right now. You hear me?
Mike, go.
That's what I'm talking about, Big Mike.
Just got to use your hands on your releases, you know, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Can't be too fast.
Hey, nice job, man. That's the way you want to do it. Great job running the ball.
Good coverage. Good coverage. Hey, good pressure, D-line. Good pressure. Good pressure. Good pressure. There we go, Cody.
Great coverage. That was great coverage. It goes hand in hand, baby. It goes hand in hand.
Touchdown.
Touchdown.
You know I called it. Get another one, Mario. Let's go.
10-0. 10-0. We 10-0.
Hey, you know I'm Mike. Say what's up. Say what's up to your turkeys.
Hello, everyone.
No. There you go. Hello.
Come back. We gotta get it right. Hello.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hello.